Hey guys, I haven't posted for a while, so I figured I'd go ahead and make a quick video about a product I just got from Korea. It's got the eyelids right here. They're gonna go right here on the top of the car, and I'm gonna make this little video about the installation process. It'll be pretty easy. I'm pretty sure it's just some 3M tape, a double-sided tape we put on the back of these, and it'll look a whole lot better, in my opinion. But here's how it looks before, and I'll go ahead and show the process now. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the unpackaging of this. So it's got some. Ooh, there we go. Get some bubble wrap around these bad boys. So they look. Come with some bubble wrap. Let's see if there's anything else. Here's the double-sided 3M tape. That'll be important. Then, here's more. Is there anything else in here? Nope. Cool. All right, so it looks like both of the eyelids are going to be in here. I'm gonna go ahead and open these up right now, and I'll show you what. And here they are. Here's one of them at least. Nice. Go ahead and take this off. Show you. It's looks like it's made of a fiberglass material, and the paint has no chips on it at all. Very good job packaging. Now on the car, this is what it looks like of a difference right here. That's what it'll cover right here all the way to the back, and right up here to the front. Cool. So that's how it'll kind of look right there. And with it off, looks like that. So it's color matched perfectly. It's not any bit different than what's on the original paint. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the 3M process, which will be just applying this tape right here to the back. And obviously, since I'm having to hold the phone with one hand, I'm gonna go ahead and do this with both my hands, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I am gonna mention really quick that there is some easy primer that came with this, and it's obviously all in Korean since this product came from South Korea. For this, I'm not going to be putting it on the actual headlights. I'm just gonna put it right here on the eyelid portion itself, since I will be attaching the 3M here. But all this is it's pretty much adhesive promoter from what I understand, and it's going to help allow the 3M tape to stick to the material a whole lot easier than just whatever adhesive is on this by itself. So this is something that will make it a whole lot easier to stick to the product. So I will be putting this on here on the backing the eyelid first. Okay, so I take back what I said. I actually did use this on the just the top portion of the headlight, just to make sure the adhesion on there is pretty good. And this is how the double-sided tape looks. You guys should be plenty. It is going to be quite a bit on there, but I got it to the very edge, and I'll go ahead and start peeling it off. And once I peel it off, I'm going to put it on the headlight and show you how it looks. All right, here's how it looks like with the eyelid on, and here's how it looks like with it off. So I'll give you a comparison real quick. That's the difference right there. Here's how it looks with the headlights on, by the way, as opposed to the headlights on without it. All right, so I got both of them on. Here's how they look. Down to the very end. My opinion, I think they look a whole lot better than just having this part exposed on top of the headlight. I think it adds a little bit more of like just a mildly aggressive look, if that's the right word to use for it. But anyways, this portion is not gonna come down to the end of this, obviously, and I didn't put this on exactly perfect, but it's gonna be as damn near close as I could get it to what I'm happy with. But that's how it looks, and I'll bring it outside right now out of the garage and show you how it looks out in the sun. So here's how they look out here in the sun. It's a whole lot better. Having it inside the garage, now you can actually see the paint color is exactly on point. Really happy with these. I'll go ahead and put it in the description below where I got these from, and these are absolutely perfect. Really happy with the quality too. Everything about these, awesome. Anyways, thank you for checking it out, and make sure to like and subscribe.